I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I open the curtain. I open the curtain. I open the curtain. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I dry my face. I dry my face. I dry my face. I boil some water. I boil some water. I boil some water. I pour water in. I pour water in. I pour water in. I eat some cereal. I eat some cereal. I eat some cereal. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I tap my card. I tap my card. I tap my card. I hold the strap. I hold the strap. I hold the strap. I press the button. I press the button. I press the button. I scan my badge. I scan my badge. I scan my badge. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I open my laptop. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I drink my coffee. I drink my coffee. I drink my coffee. I take the paper. I take the paper. I take the paper. I join the meeting. I join the meeting. I join the meeting.
I open my lunchbox.
I open my lunch box. I open my lunch box.
I eat my lunch.
I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch.
I open my wallet.
I open my wallet. I open my wallet.
I take a basket.
I take a basket. I take a basket.
I keep the receipt.
I keep the receipt. I keep the receipt.
I carry my gym bag.
I carry my gym bag. I carry my gym bag.
I drink some water.
I drink some water. I drink some water.
I lift a dumbbell.
I lift the dumbbell. I lift the dumbbell.
I start the treadmill.
I start the treadmill. I start the treadmill.
I wipe my face.
I wipe my face. I wipe my face.
I heat the pan.
I heat the pan. I heat the pan.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
I throw it away.
I throw it away. I throw it away.
I read my book.
I read my book. I read my book.
I set my alarm.
I set my alarm. I set my alarm.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.